Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DCTH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these green and red lines are coming from, but definitely want to get some things updated here. Need to get some things updated after the bears took another big chunk out of this one today. So the first thing that needs to be updated is just a little bit of house cleaning here, and I'm going to get rid of that line there. Sure, it still pertains, but it's not relevant anymore, and I don't want to have lines all over the place that can cause clutter and confusion, so just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So first update, though, is based on a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 13 cents was that crucial area of support, but now that it's been broken, this would be one of the newest areas of resistance. A little bit shorter term area of resistance, meaning if there's any sort of bounce, and more so the short term period of things, 0.124 would be that initial level. So yeah, 13 cents is resistance, but before you start talking about doing battle with that level and breaking above it, that first hurdle that needs to be cleared is right there at 0.124. Now what about levels of support? Well, the power of charts has struck again. As you can see, the price literally bounced right off this green line here, which I drew. I'm not sure when, but down there at 11 cents is a level of support. And again, that's right where it bounced. So good sign on the bullish part that they were at least able to maintain this. And going forward, you definitely want to see the price maintain above that, because if it doesn't, then that just means that the bears have yet put in a low that hasn't been seen for a very long time. So to just give a little bit more perspective, to kind of just show it has been a very, very long time since the price has been down below this 11-cent area. Last time it was back here in about June 19th, June 20th, so over a month ago. But like I said, that's right where that green line bounced, or the price bounced right from that green line, and it's doing the same thing that it did back here. So you can see it also bounced from that level of support and doing it once again. So 11 cents, certainly a very important level of support. If that can't hold, then I'm sure I'll be back to update the chart at that point in time. But just know that 11 cents, very, very important from an overall perspective. So we'll see what next week brings. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.